Right now, let me show you how you can close the low data mode on your iPhone. So as you can see in at the top right corner, the battery icon is yellow. So if I lower it down like this, you can see that the battery, as I said, is in the yellow color, meaning that the low power mode is active. So we can go to settings and on the main page, find the battery section. So it is right there. And again, the yellow indicator is present everywhere, but at the bottom we have the low power mode. So you can click on it like this to disable it. The battery turned normal color in all places, so it's all looking nice. So that is the easiest option, I guess, but the quickest one would actually be through the control center. So if you swipe down like this, we have a bunch of toggles, but we're going to hold down on them. Click on add a control at the bottom, and we need to add the low power mode controller, right? Like we have it already in here, but if you don't find it, use the search and type in low power mode. We can add it like this. So now it appears in the control center, perhaps even expand it like this to make it larger and easier to click. But now that we have added this to the control center, we can quickly enable it in there or swipe down and disable it. And that's the whole point. That's the easiest and quickest way to do this. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.